Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to share the reason why your TikTok verification badge is removed. Alright, so let's get started. So this is actually my TikTok profile, by the way. So if you have TikTok verification badge on your TikTok account and all of a sudden it disappears, that could happen due to only one reason. All right. Normally on TikTok there's no way or there's no feature that can allow you request to remove your verification badge, but something can trigger the removal of your verification badge, which I'm going to share to you now. I'm going to take you to the official website of TikTok and show you where this information is stated here. So these are information concerning TikTok account verification. Now if I scroll down here, right here, now I see where it says, can you request to remove your verification? And it says here it's not currently possible to remove your verified badge. However, you can trigger a removal by changing your username. So this is the only current reason why your TikTok verification badge could be removed. So if you change your username on TikTok, it will trigger the removal of your verification badge. I don't know why this causes or triggers the removal of your verification badge. I don't really know. So this is actually the only reason why your verification badge is removed. So you have to check if there was a time, if you recently changed to your username. If yes, then that's the reason why your badge was removed. Alright, so guys, hope this guide or this information was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.